relation with a boy, with a girl for a long time and have babies without defining a rule and law, or going through the marriage. Without marriage, people have kids. So this is not bad for some societies. So that's why they accept it. Even society not take it as a bad thing for them. So people can live like this. They can choose a person in the first sight, and some people are living for a long time to choose the life partner for love and care and everything. But in the Muslim societies, they must have to define it is love or not, it's arranged marriage or not, if they are willing for each other or not before marriage. They have to define these things and then they can go on. Otherwise, they have no right to be in a relation. This is in Islamic societies. But the other societies, have no, they not consider it a bad thing to be in a relation like a boyfriend or a girlfriend for a long time, for a short time. It's not a bad thing for them. So you can share if you have any example or any kind of information. You can also share. I just share this example to answer the question that can a person, can a girl or a boy can fall with another boy or a girl in the first sight, can, can fall in love in the first sight. Yes, of course they can fall. And it's the first sight which is responsible for the next sight and the third sight. And this is the first step. In the first step, they decide what is going on and what will be the future. So they make a decision for the next step. So the first sight is actually opening the gate towards the heart, and these our eyes are the gates of our hearts. And love is an ideal object which exists as a strong power. It not have existence. Love has no existence. But an ideal object which has strong, more stronger than steel, more stronger than stone, and it is more powerful than Newton. Why? Due to cares, shares, feelings. The law has power to change the world. The people in the past, they fight to the other countries for the love of the governance, for the love of the land, for the love of the income, for the love of the state. Even emperors fight for the beauty, for the women's, for the wealth in the past. That is the materialistic law. And also in this modern era, we can also see a lot of examples of this. The people feel relaxed with money, with wealth, with secondary things. No one is focusing the primary needs. The law, which the lovers define as law, that becomes heads when their needs become hurdle in the path of law. Maybe they hate each other, they depart from each other, and they separate their ways. So this is the end of today's live transmission. Thank you for watching. at the end I will just conclude